10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
नमस्कार मंडळी, जोरात आवाज होऊ दे एकदा. क्या बात आहे, क्या बात आहे. बेरियाची फॅशन बघून खरंच मला कॉम्प्लेक्स झालाय. सगळेच लोक एवढे आवरून आलेत ना, मला माझंच फॅशन थोडा कमी वाटतोय. मी तुमच्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो बे युवा 2024च्या आयोजित या फॅशन शो कार्यक्रमामध्ये. दिस इज द लास्ट शो स्टॉपर इव्हेंट ऑफ बे युवा. सो इथे रिलॅक्स करा. तुम्ही सगळे चहा घेऊन आलेला असाल, फुल धमाल करा. तर मी तसा फुल टाइम इंजिनियर आहे, पण खास आजच्या कार्यक्रमासाठी एक छोटीशी शायरी लिहून घेऊन आलेलो आहे. मला येत नाही, मी वाचून दाखवणार आहे. इरशाद. बेरिया के फैशन शो में रंगों की बहार है. हर एक रंग में छुपी एक अलग ही प्यार है. जहां मॉडर्न और ट्रेडिशनल का होता मिलन, वहां हर कैटवॉक पे बस हसीनाओं का जुलूस है. कपड़ों की परत दर परत कहानी है कहीं, हर आउटफिट में एक नई जिंदगानी है कहीं. इस मंच पर हर मोड़ पे बस खूबसूरती का जश्न है. बे एरिया के फैशन शो में सभी दिलों का स्वागत. आगतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम. करा का मंडळी.
हॅलो. अरे काय काय करून राहिले बाई तुम्ही इथे?
तू इथे काय करतोयस मित्रा? आमचा इथे फॅशन शो चालू आहे.
भाऊ, आमचा पण फॅशन शो आहे ना मागे.
मी ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केलाय, तर तू आता उद्या ये, उद्या कर.
काय बे करू दे ना फॅशन शो मला.
एक मिनिट, तू हे काय बे काय करतोय? काय रे असतं ते? शुद्ध मराठीत बोल आधी.
अरे आम्ही पब्लिकला विचारतो. पब्लिक 2 दिवसापासून काय बे करतोय. मला कशाला सांगून राहिला हा? कुठला कार्यक्रम आहे? काय बेच ना?
क्या बात आहे. पब्लिकचा एकदम रिस्पॉन्स आहे तुम्हाला. तर चालेल, तुम्हालाही घेतो. तुमच्यासोबत लोक आहेत का पण तुमची फॅशन शो साठी?
भाऊ, पब्लिक आहे ना आपल्याकडे इथे.
कोण लोक आहेत तुमच्याकडे?
माझ्याकडे लहान पोट्टे पण आहेत आणि जान जवान बी आहेत.
आणि जजेसचं काय रे? माझ्याकडे 2च जजेस आहेत.
माझ्याकडे पण 2 जजेस आहेत.
क्या बात आहे.
बसला ना सांगड गुत्ता.
चला तर मग. पण माझी एक अट आहे, जर का तुला आमच्यासोबत करायचं असेल तर तुला शुद्ध मराठीमध्ये बोलावं लागेल.
काय राव, असंच वय.
काय चाललंय हे? विदर्भ मग मध्येच आता कुठे कोल्हापूरला गेलाय. शुद्ध मराठी जसं पुण्यातले पेठेचे लोक बोलतात ना, इथे जाऊन शिकून ये जरा.
बरं, तुझ्यासाठी जरा नॉर्मल होतो.
शुद्ध मराठी.
ओके, डन. सो नमस्कार मंडळी, मी वैभव देशमुख.
मी पंकज नायकरे तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करतोय. सो आता कार्यक्रमाला सुरुवात करूया. लेडीज अँड जेंटलमेन, welcome to the night of glamour, style and incredible talent. We are your hosts for this evening. Prepare to have an amazing experience as we take you on a journey through the world of fashion. Let me start with welcoming our judges for the event today.
Please give a big round of applause for all our judges.
Our first judge for this evening today is a multifaceted individual who has a passion for fashion and was crowned as a beauty pageant winner for Mrs. Bharat California Classic 2023. She has worked for multiple designers in New York Fashion Week and won many awards, including Women Empowerment Award for the modeling and pageantry. Please welcome Urmila Zawlekar.
So our second judge is creative genius, who known for his work as a red carpet ready by Shekhar Rahate reality TV show, and amidst by my own film producer, actor, and Hollywood red carpet fashion designer. His designs have graced red carpets at the Oscars, Golden Globes, Emmys, Grammys, and Fashion Week runways at New York, London, Paris, Milan, and Los Angeles, and even at the United Nations General Assembly Hall at the President Obama's inaugural red carpet events. Please welcome Shekhar Rahate.
Our third judge for the evening is a model, a social media influencer, and a dancer, truly passionate about fashion and creates mainly fashion content on Instagram. She has presented few brands at New York Fashion Week and is a secretary of the Connecticut Maharashtra Mandal for past 4 years. Please welcome Vaibhavi Pandit.
The fourth judge, a judge who won Power Woman of Influence Award in 2021 and 2022. She designs dance costumes and loves archery and dance. She is employed as a student costume manager with one of the Bay Area's premier dance company. She has also won the Top 500, 7 Stars and 5 Stars Award in 2019 and in 2020. She made it to the America's Best list straight for 3 years. She also made it to the President Circle in 2019. Also in Gantry's Outstanding Woman in 2019. She is also known for Top 10 Realtors Under 40s in Feb 2018 by Gantry magazine. Please welcome Hina Joshi.
क्या बात आहे. जजेसचं तर इंट्रोडक्शन खूपच भारी होतं, पण एक असा इथे पर्सन आम्ही बोलवलेला आहे आज ज्याला इंट्रोडक्शनची बिलकुल गरज नाही. मी फक्त त्याचे अवॉर्ड सांगणार आहे आणि त्याचे जे विनिंग्स आहेत ते सांगणार आहे, बाकी काही सांगणार नाही. सो वी हॅव अ सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट टुडे हिअर. शी हॅज मल्टी टायटल्स. शी इज मिस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाईड फर्स्ट रनर अप. शी इज मिस इंडिया USA and she is Miss India DMV on the East Coast. Please welcome Arya Varvekar.
Please give a big round of applause for all our judges and celebrity guests, guys. मी सगळे जजेसला विनंती करतो की प्लीज आपल्या स्थानावरती स्थानापन्न व्हावे. कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात तर खूपच बेस्ट झाली रे पंकज.
खूपच भारी. त्यांना एक मिनिटं देऊया. जजेस प्लीज टेक युअर सीट्स.
ऑफकोर्स. मला वाटतं आपण तोपर्यंत कार्यक्रमाची ॲटलीस्ट रूल तर सांगू शकतो.
Yes, you can start.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, again welcome to our fashion show. So we are going to have this fashion show distributed into 2 rounds. So first of all, we are going to have round 1. In round 1, we have 4 categories: ethnic extravaganza, fusion frenzy, elegance redefined, and elegant extravaganza. So these 4 categories are divided into 4 age groups. For kids, for teenagers, for youth, and for adults. So they are going to have their individual walks. They are also going to have like formation over here on red carpet. And then we will go to round 2.
So there will be round 2 where all the participants will be finalists into 4. So we'll have only 4 who are going through the question and answer session. There will be questions coming from the judges straight from there. So that will be our second round for the finalists, and then we will have the winner.
That sounds really exciting. So without any further delay, let's start our first round with the kids category. So the first up, ethnic extravaganza. This category features our youngest stars aged 6 to 12 who will be gracing the runway with traditional attire from various cultures. Let's give a big round of applause for our little globetrotters. Ladies and gentlemen, ethnic extravaganza. guys. Please give a big round of applause for our kids. काय वाटतं पंकज? मला सांग, तू लहान असताना असं कधी केलं होतंस का?
खूपच
खरं
परफॉर्मन्स होता. मला तर माझ्या घरच्यांनी एका फॅशन शो मध्ये झाड करून पाठवलं. कारण मी असा उंच होतो रे आणि फांद्या वगैरे लावल्या होत्या, असा हात करून चालत होतो.
तसं असतं तर माझ्या घरच्यांनी मला नारळाचं झाड केलं असतं.
खरंच. पण आता बिफोर वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट राऊंड एक छोटासा आपण खेळ खेळणार आहोत फॉर द ऑडियन्स. सर वी रिअली वॉन्ट टू नो की ऑडियन्सला फॅशनचं किती नॉलेज आहे.
मी गॅरंटी दिवसून सांगतो रे, सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. तू काही विचार ऑडियन्सला.
खूपच सोपे प्रश्न असणार आहे. पहिला प्रश्न विचारेल, ज्यालाही उत्तर माहिती आहे त्याने हात वर करा. मी रँडमली कोणालाही आन्सर करायला चान्स द्यायची.
मी एक काम करू का, मी लोकांमध्ये जातो माहिती
प्लीज. सो एव्हरीवन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द ऑडियन्स. महाराष्ट्राचं पारंपरिक वेशभूषा काय आहे फॉर अ मेल अँड अ फिमेल?
एवढा सोपा
पुरुषांसाठी आणि महिलांसाठी पारंपरिक.
Come on guys. Okay, I got the first participant over here. Your name?
चैताली.
Cool. So Chaitali, what is the answer?
नऊवारी साडी
दॅट इज अ करेक्ट आन्सर फॉर द.
आणि धोतर चप्पा. धोतर पाऊण यांच्यासाठी मला पुरुषांसाठी.
हाफ उत्तर बरोबर आहे. धोतर आणि काय? धोतर आणि काय?
Okay, we got another one here. Your name?
संजय डोईफोडे.
Okay, what is the answer?
धोतर आणि फेटा.
नाही.
Oh, okay, I can pass mic to you. I can't come there.
हाफ उत्तर बरोबर आहे पण.
Okay. I'm coming. MC तुमच्या दादी. What is your name?
अश्विनी. धोतर आणि सदरा.
नाही.
तुम्हाला दमवणारच का पंकजच?
मी
अरे एक मिनिट, असावर येते.
धोतर आणि झब्बा पैजामा आणि धोतर आणि पगडी.
काळे काकांनी सांगितलं आन्सर.
पण मी इथे ऑलरेडी एकाचं उत्तर ऐकलं. त्यांनी ओरडून सांगितलं त्यांचं उत्तर बरोबर.
काय सांगतोय? मी नाही ऐकलं, एकदा परत ऐकायला गेलो.
सो द उत्तर आहे नऊवारी साडी.
ओके, who gave the answer? Okay, your name?
अन्य भावराग. धोतर आणि बंडी.
धोती आणि कुर्ता.
कुर्ता.
Okay, close. Okay, guys. Please give a big round of applause for your name. Neil.
Okay, now second question guys, and this is a difficult question.
मी खालीच थांबायला पाहिजे होतं.
Which US city is considered the fashion capital of the world?
Okay, interesting question. I think this is a common answer for from all the audience. Okay, I'll just hold mic like this. Just call the answer like loudly.
That's the correct answer, everyone.
Thank you guys for saving my efforts.
चला तर मग, without wasting any time, we'll go for our next category. Wow, this is something unexpected. किड्सला परत वॉक करायचंय. त्यांचं मन नाही भरलंय.
किड्ससाठी 1-4 मिळालं का? Okay. That's a good thing, right? I think audience पण हेच पाहिजे सर.
One more chance for the kids.
Okay.
Please welcome our first category, ethnic extravaganza.
What an amazing show, guys. What an amazing show.
Wow, this was fabulous. Now we have our next category. Next up, we turn up the heat with a category that blends the best of both worlds. It's time for fusion frenzy. They are our teenagers, so dynamic teens age 13 to 19. This is where East meets West and classic meets contemporary. Get ready to be wowed by their innovation and flair. Let's hear it for the Fusion Frenzy.
Okay, our first contestant is Gayatri Karmakar, 17 number. Number 19, Arori Kale. Next one is number 23, Arpita Sharma. What an amazing performance, guys. Please give a big round of applause for our teenagers. Okay, so now we are going to announce our third category, which is Elegance Redefined. This segment features our models aged 20 to 35. These models will redefine what it means to be elegant in today's world. Let's give it up, these modern icons of elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, Elegance Redefined.
Number 27, Dia Nabar. Number 28 and number 29, Sejal Patil and Simi Desai. निमिषा महात्मे. Number 32, Dimitra Daifode. Number 33, Sukanya Doshi. Number 34, Melissa Sandeep Tungare. Number 37, Riya Dighe. Number 39, Adish Betawat. Number 40, Ankit Berde. Number 42, Shreyas Limaye. टाळ्या वाजत राहिल्या पाहिजेत. नंबर 43, आशिष पाटील. दीक्षा काळे. Number 50, Aditi Patel.
Amazing performance, guys. Please give a big round of applause for her.
This was fabulous.
This was fantastic. What do you think, guys? How it was?
It seems like everyone is enjoying so far. So that's great.
Indeed.
So now we are going to bring our last category for the day. Just for the first round, okay? There is a second round. So last but certainly not the least, we have the category that celebrates timeless beauty and sophisticated charm. It's time for Elegant Extravaganza. Put your hands together. Elegant Extravaganza.
Deepthi Ayachet. Number 62, Gauri Avshingekar. Number 65, Aarti Patil. Number 66, Kedar Kulkarni. Next one is number 70, Mrinali Vilawadikar. Number 74, Rutavari Sharma. Number 76, Sangeeta Patil. Number 78, Mateen Sayyed. Spartan performance, so guys. Please give a big round of applause for our adults.
So this concludes basically our first round.
What an amazing show so far. Each category has brought its unique flair and style to the runway, and we are just getting started.
Absolutely. Now it's time for the grand finale. So we already have shortlisted 4 finalists from each category. So I'm going to call the first category which had to walk twice. You all saw the kids category, which was very difficult to judge for the judges. Somehow finally we have the finalist. Let me call our finalists and please give them a big round of applause. First, in our Miss category we have number 8, Iha Kedar Kulkarni. Number 2, Jia Tilak Kolahi. Number 12, Kartik Karmarkar. And our last finalist is number 3, Abir Gawande. Amazing. So now this guy is going to go through a question and answer session. Very simple questions. First, I request number 8, Iha Kedar Kulkarni for a walk. Big round of applause, everyone.
Hello. You good? Hi. How are you?
Good.
Okay. So your question is, what's your favorite food and why?
हे मराठी प्रोग्राम आहे, सो मी मराठीमध्ये बोलणार आहे. माझं फेवरेट फूड डोसा आहे आणि मला ते खूप आवडतं आणि खूप चांगलं लागतं. चटणी बरोबर खूप चांगलं.
Thank you. Thank you, Iha.
Thank you for the question.
Next up we have number 2, Jia Tilak Kolahi. Big round of applause, guys.
Hi Jia, right here. खूप छान दिसतेस. I'm going to ask you a question. What do you want to be when you grow up?
An artist.
That's good. I think you already are one.
Thank you, Jia. Next we have from the boys category, Kartik Karmarkar, number 12.
Hi Kartik. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you so much.
I feel like you're going to become an actor at some point of time. तुझा question असा आहे की do you have a favorite book and why?
मला एक स्पेसिफिक बुक नाही आहे, पण हॅरी पॉटर सिरीज आवडते.
Amazing. Next we have number 3, Abir Gawande. Big round of applause, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
You're looking very cute.
Thanks.
So I'm going to ask you an easy question. Do you have a best friend? What's their name?
My best friend is Arul.
And why are they your best friend?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, amazing. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. No, it's all for that. Thank you. Thank you.
I think it's not the next.
Gia, what's your number, Gia? Turn around.
Number 2. Wow, such a cute answers.
Yeah. I'm impressed.
Seriously. Without wasting any more time, guys, let's bring back the energetic teens from the Fusion Frenzy. I hope the judges are ready with their questions. So, but in the meantime, we can announce the finalist for the round 2.
Yeah, of course. I have the.
So we have the list ready.
Yep, of course. So number 23, Arpita Sharma. And the next one is number 19, Arohi Kare. Let's start with Arpita. Number 23, Arpita Sharma.
Hello.
Hi.
You're looking very pretty.
Thank you so much, you too.
Thank you. So my question to you is, what are your hobbies or interests?
Thank you for your question. Some of my hobbies are baking, painting, playing badminton with my family, and also coaching gymnastics classes.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Number 19, Arohi Kare.
Hi, Arohi.
Hello.
I like the fusion.
Thank you so much.
Are you going to travel anywhere this summer? And if you have a specific place in mind?
This summer, I've actually already traveled to Canada, and I also want to travel to New York because I've never been there before, so I'd really like to visit that place. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Please give a big round of applause for these guys.
Give a moment to the judges.
Yeah, you were so amazing. Now 4 selected elegant models from Elegance Redefined.
You already have the names for
Wow.
age 20 to 33. And the 4 finalists are, first up, number 33, Sukanya Joshi. Next up, number 27, Dia Nabar. In the Mr. category, we have number 43, Ashish Patil. Another one in the boys category, number 42, Shreyas Limaye. Awesome. First up, let's start with number 33, Sukanya Joshi.
Hi Suganya, you're looking very pretty. What do you love the most about Marathi culture?
Hi everyone, good evening. From Mukta Barve to Sachin Tendulkar to Sunil Gavaskar to Gaur Gopal Das, there's so many things to celebrate about Marathi culture. मला खूप आनंद होतोय की तुम्ही आज सर्वांनी आज आम्हाला जॉईन केलंय आणि इतकं मराठीचं सेलिब्रेशन छान झालं या वीकेंडला. सो थँक यू एव्हरीवन अँड आय एम सो प्राऊड टू बी अ मराठी गर्ल.
थँक यू.
Everyone is proud being a Marathi here. Thank you. Next up, we have number 27, Diya Nabar. Big round of applause, guys.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing good, thank you.
What inspired you to participate in this fashion show?
Thank you for that question. Honestly, I have always been proud of my Marathi heritage and my family and my culture, and I thought this was an amazing platform to represent the same, especially dressed in this traditional attire here to represent the regality of it all. I think this was my moment to shine in this jewelry and this Nawari sari, and it all reminded me of home, something I've left back in India for my higher education here, and this just made me feel closer to my family there, my home there. Thank you.
It was a quite amazing answer. Next up from the Mr. category, we have number 42, Shreyas Limaye. Big round of applause everyone for Shreyas.
Hey Shreyas.
Hello, hi.
So my question to you is, what is your favorite traditional Marathi attire and why?
My favorite traditional Marathi attire is dhota and uparna because it allows me to be a warrior and an erudite pandit at the same time.
Interesting. Thank you.
And the last finalist from this category, number 43, Ashish Patel. Make some noise, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Ekdam Bajirao.
Thank you.
What did you enjoy the most at BMM 2024?
Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for your time and thank you for the question. सगळ्यात जास्त मी काय एन्जॉय केलं असेल तर होल BMM आणि मी BMM यूथचा व्हॉलेंटियर आहे आणि BMMचं मार्केटिंग केलं यूथचं. सो आय थिंक वी बीन वर्किंग फॉर 2 years आणि ही जी जर्नी आहे मला सॅड वाटते की ही संपते, बट every bit of it we enjoyed it so much and thank you guys for making it so much successful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you everyone.
Super answers. Now it's time for declaring the finalists for our 4th category, Pankaj.
Before that, I want to invite all the youth volunteers to the backstage. From a BMM 24 youth team, whoever are here, come to the backstage. The show is not yet finished. We have one more round to go.
Yep. So the 4th finalist for the last category. Please welcome back the sophisticated models from Elegant Extravaganza. First one, number 66, Kedar Kulkarni. Number 78, Mateen Sayyad. Number 65, Aarti Patil. And the last one is number 70, Manali Bilawadikar. Please give a big round of applause for these guys. Let's start with number 66, Kedar Kulkarni.
Stage left. Oh, left. You're fine. Oh. You're in the right.
Hi, Kedar.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What do you think is the most important quality for a model to have?
Wow. Thank you for the question. According to me, for a model, I think a person needs to be very down to earth is the best quality that they can have, according to me. And the only reason is basically model is like, always being on stage and being on camera. But given in front of camera and on stage, people can get into the different level of egos and different level of kind of mindset. I would prefer rather having down to earth will definitely a best quality for the model.
Great answer.
Thank you for the question.
Number 78, Mati Sayyar.
Make some noise, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, Shekhar.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
So, how do you feel about the overall theme of today's show?
Amazing job. These are all young people who have come together to put this great show. They not only had the responsibility of putting the fashion show, but they put a whole effort, which was the business leaders that they had yesterday, the other tracks that they did. And it takes a lot of effort to come and compete with people who are much more senior to you, who are much more seasoned than you, and to have the Asmita of the Marathi culture along with that. That is a great way to show that you represent not just the Marathi culture, but you are assimilated into the very culture of where we belong, which is the American culture. So it's a great combination and camaraderie of both the cultures together. They've done a fabulous job putting this together.
Thank you.
Number 65, Aarti Patil.
गुड इव्हनिंग जजेस. नमस्कार मंडळी. काय बे, एन्जॉय करताय की नाही?
Hey Aarti.
Hello.
Looks like you're really enjoying it.
Of course, from day one. So definitely yes. This is such a great platform, and this is my first BMM convention. So a lot of anxiety, a lot of hope, but पूर्ण पैसा बसून दे.
Awesome. So I'll ask you a related question. Can you share a fashion tip that you believe everyone should know?
I think the biggest fashion tip is, I know typically it is supposed to be a poker face, but I personally feel a smile changes everything. And the confidence that it brings to yourself and the people watching you makes or break the deal. So I always wear my beauty, which is my smile, and I wish everyone does the same.
That's so true. Thank you.
Amazing answer. The next finalist is number 70, Manali Bilwadikar. Come on, Manali.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Can you share what inspired you today to, put together this outfit?
Sure, thank you for your question. I feel Nawari is one outfit which is a 9-yard sari and draped in such a fashion that a woman can go for a war it was actually invented for war and carried it so gracefully that I think nothing compares to the grace of Nawari. And then you can have several designs, patterns and whatnot. So yeah, I prefer Nawari than everything else, and I'm proud of my Marathi culture. I'm proud of that. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the question.
Thank you to all the finalists.
What an incredible final Q&A round, guys. Please give a big round of applause for all the finalists.
Yes, indeed. Each category brought something unique and special to the runway today. And we are so proud of all our participants.
Of course. पण मला काय वाटतं पंकज, एक काम करायला पाहिजे. I think एवढे finalists, एवढे मस्त performance आणि answers आणि questions राउंड झालाय. Let's get some surprise element to the crowd. What do you say?
I definitely believe that because judges को थोड़ा time लागेल finalists announce करायला the winners, the Mr. and Miss BMM. But before that, we have a surprise element.
Yeah. So guys, please give a big round of applause for all our youth volunteer team for the fashion show.
These are volunteers, guys. Keep walking, everyone.
Hello, hello, तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो, येलो, बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई. Hello, hello, तू मुझे ढूंढ लगाई, येलो, येलो, कट बहुत करो मेरे भाई.
याद न मैंने जानी क्यों इतनी खुश है दीवानी तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे
ये बात है सबने चाही दिल जन्मों का हमारा ही ये हुआ है मुझे ऐसा ही समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो क्या फसाना हो
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो
Hello, hello, don't mind me ना ये कहना येलो चलो मेरे टच में रहना
Wow, that was amazing. This was our youth team. Big round of applause for the youth volunteers.
Guys, from last 3 days, these all volunteers, this whole youth team worked so hard. So please give a big round of applause for our youth team. What an extraordinary night of fashion, Pankaj. What do you think?
It was beautiful, amazing. But the moment we all have been waiting for is almost here.
Oh, okay, interesting moment. Okay, so judges, I request you to please come on a stage and please give the final result for Mr. and Miss BMM. Please give a big round of applause for our judges, guys.
We also want to welcome our special guest, Arya Valvekar, on the stage, along with the judges. Big round of applause for all our judges. Moment is here now.
I'm sure you guys are all excited to hear the name of Mr. and Miss BMM. Guys, please give a big round of applause for all judges and celebrity guest Miss Arya Valvekar as well. So before announcing the final Mr. and Miss BMM names, I request every judge to just speak for a minute. How do you feel about like overall show and how you felt overall fashion show 2024? Shekhar Rahate.
Sure, definitely. It was beautiful. Youth Committee, congratulations. It was a great show. It's not easy. I'm in entertainment business, so I know how much efforts it takes to put this show together. So congratulations to everybody. And thank you, Arya, to be here. And congratulations, everybody. And the Prekshak Sudha खूप चांगले होते. Thank you.
Thanks, Shekhar. Arya?
I'll keep this short, but to all the participants, I just wanted to say thank you guys for being you. I know it's not easy to put yourself out there, especially if it's your first time, but I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and I'm so proud that you guys showed the real version of yourselves. Thank you and good job, guys.
Thank you so much. Bye, bye.
Hello. I really had a great time. It is so wonderful that BMM Youth, I interacted with all of them and they are very polite to interact with. They were very supportive and really great job. For the participants, I think everybody is a winner, but everybody put a lot of efforts in their styling and it was really good to see Marathi culture and great job and great audience, yes.
Indeed. Thank you so much. Urmila?
So good evening to everyone. I must say that the BMM Youth has really done a fabulous job and I was lucky that I got to work with them even behind the scene for some of the show choreography. I would also like to say that all of the contestants who are there today, they were awesome. Each one of them, it's never too easy to be on the stage. But everyone, no matter whether you're a winner or not, you all were awesome. It was really an honor to be a judge today and, I look forward to crowning the winners.
Fantastic effort on the entire Yuva team. This is phenomenal. I've been working with you guys for almost a month. आणि सगळं तुम्ही जे envision करत होतात ते execute केलं. So congratulations. Thank you so much everybody attending and supporting the entire feed. I think
now we have the winners. So I would kindly
thank you so much, judges, for your valuable words. We really appreciate your time. And now I think we have the winners for our first category, right?
Judges, do you want to announce the winners? I call Shekhar first.
Okay, so it's time to reveal the winners for our first category, Ethnic Extravaganza. The young models in the Ethnic Extravaganza brought such vibrant energy and cultural beauty to the stage. And the winner of the category is...
So Jia Kolahi. Okay, so Miss BMM is Jia Kolahi and Abir Gawande.
I request Jia and Abir, please come on a stage and get the Mr. and Miss BMM award.
In the middle, guys. These are our winners.
Guys, please give a big round of applause for our kids. टाळ्यांचा आवाज कमी नाही पडला पाहिजे.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Jia, Abir. Thank you, Abir.
विजेत्यांचे अभिनंदन आणि मान्यवरांचे आभार.
नेक्स्ट कॅटेगरीची विनर आहे category 13 to 19. I request our chief guest Hina and also our special celebrity to give the trophy, and the Miss BMM in the second category, age 13 to 19, is Arpita Sharma.
Guys, please give a big round of applause for Arpita.
तर्फे.
RTS congratulations Arpita.
Thank you. In our next category, age 20 to 35. And the Miss BMM for the category is Dia Nabar.
Can we have Dia on the stage?
Where's Dia?
Guys, टाळ्यांचा आवाज कमी नाही पडला पाहिजे प्लीज.
I request for everyone to give the next trophy for the Mr. BMM in the age group 20 to 35. And the winner is Shreyas Limaye. Big round of applause for Shreyas. We have Shreyas.
Guys, give a big round of applause for Shreyas Limaye.
For the last category,
आणि मान्यवरांचे आभार.
Thank you. We have the winner for the last category as well. So the Miss BMM for this category is Aarti Patil. We have Aarti. Amazing. And the last one, in the male category. I request all the judges to give the trophies to that last one and the winner for the Mr. BMM. And the Mr. BMM for BMM 2024 Youth Competition is Kedar Kulkarni. Big round of applause for Kedar.
What an amazing evening, guys. Please give a big round of applause for all categories, all participants. चला रे मंडळी, आम्ही तुमच्या ते रजा घेतो. थँक यू सो मच. एव्हरी वन ऑफ यू ब्रॉट समथिंग स्पेशल टू द रनवे. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे मनपूर्वक आभार. तुमच्या पाठिंबा आणि उत्साहाशिवाय हे शक्य झालं नसतं. Huge thanks to our all judges, all our youth team, volunteers. Until next time, keep celebrating the fashion and diversity. धन्यवाद, शुभरात्री, good night. Enjoy your rest of the evening. Thank you so much, guys.